Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill again using a short story. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Okay, ready? Please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. John Dallas is a film director. At the moment, he is on a plane over the Pacific. He is going to Hollywood. There is a glass of champagne in his hand and a pretty young girl in front of him. Well, now please listen again and repeat after me sentence by sentence. Then you should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some question about it. Now, please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. John Dallas is a film director. At the moment, he is on a plane over the Pacific. He is going to Hollywood. There is a glass of champagne in his hand and a pretty young girl in front of him. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my question. Question number 1. Is John Dallas a film star? Question number 2. What is John Dallas' job? Question number 3. Is he in America now? The next question. Where is John Dallas now? Is he on a ship? Is he on a plane? Where is he going? Is he going to the United States? Is there a glass of coffee in his hand? What is there in his hand? Where is the pretty young girl? Is the pretty young girl behind him or in front of him? Is the plane over the Atlantic? Is the plane over the Pacific? Where is the plane going? The last question, is the plane going to America? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.